It is such a beautiful day, isn't it? Just look at nature.
The birds singing, the rustling of the trees. If only you would stop for a moment and hear and listen to the melody they're making for you.
And we get a chance to be in it. We get a chance to experience it, the beauty of all the Creator has given to us. If you only knew the thousands of people who would do anything for just 5 minutes of your time, just 5 minutes to even speak with you, then if you knew this, you would not worry about the 1 or 2 people who do not value you or your time. It is a beautiful day. Indeed, friend, it is a beautiful, wonderful day. And we get a chance to experience it and to be in it. Go out and make it happen.